Do you ever feel unsure or overwhelmed when starting something new in business? You are not alone. One good news is that confidence is something that we build over time. This video is about helping you gain confidence in business. I'll be giving you actionable steps on what you can do or how you can build confidence in your business. Number one, starting small. Sometimes we want to achieve great deals in a very short while. Life doesn't work that way. We have to learn to build small until we get better. It is bit by bit that makes an ocean. If you check my last videos, you will see how I looked. I was not really proud of myself. I didn't have the best cameras, I didn't have the best phone. Yes, I was making something, but it was not enough. At the point, I wanted to give up. Yes, there were roadblocks along the line, but then I understood that I have to stop procrastinating and start from small. The journey to building confidence is starting small. Rome was not built in a day. It has to go from story to story, and then you get your castle right. Number two, educate yourself. Confidence often comes when you build knowledge. There are many ways you can educate yourself. Number one, read books. Buy books in the topics that you are interested in the topics that you want to excel in. Buy books. Number two, podcasts. Go online, look for educative podcasts, not those kind of podcasts that will waste your time, and at the end of the day, you have nothing to show for it. Number three, educational videos. Go online, just like YouTube here, or any other educative platform, and you can learn. The moment you begin to learn and brace yourself up in the place of expertise, you begin to see how confident you get to be. Some time ago, I was sent to talk to people. Yeah, I've been talking to people about 150, 150. Now I was invited to go talk to certain young people in a certain gathering. I didn't know how the gathering felt like. I thought it was the usual 150 or 100 persons. The person who invited me was a primary school classmate of mine. He invited me to come teach their youth in the auditorium. And I accepted because that was one thing we wanted as a youth. I went on my own, very casual. I didn't know the kind of gathering I was going to meet. When I got to the place, I called him and said, I'm close. Where is the church and all that? To my greatest surprise, I saw people over 1,000. First off, my feet, they were shaking. My heart was beating so fast like it almost wanted to go out of my chest. I had to brace up. Because I am educated in that particular area, I had to summon courage and teach. It's always hard when you don't know what to say. But when you educate yourself, what you need to say or what you need to do will come to you. Number three, embrace failure. Normalize failure as a journey to success. Confidence is accepting the fact that you can fail. And knowing that you can fail even more than once or twice will boost more confidence, because as you fail, you continue trying. Embrace failure as if it's a normal thing. A mistake is a greater step to push you closer to success. If you look very closely, the times that you were rejected, you told yourself you want to be better than you are today. You must accept failure. If not, you may never gain confidence in business. Number four, surround yourself with supportive people. Find the people who believe in you and attach yourself to them. Do not go to people who tarnish goals, who talk away plans, aspirations, and make you seem smaller than you are. Embrace yourself with people who are like-minded. Embrace yourself with people who have succeeded. Embrace yourself with people who are supportive to the journey that you want to go through in life. If you have people who keep on encouraging you, not flatter you, but encourage you, you might get better. Go online if you don't have anybody in your area. Look for people who have achieved or who is doing something that you are doing. Meet up with them, talk to them about your plan, talk to them about the things that you are passionate about, then see their response. When you try number one, number two, number three, you will know which of them is supportive and you know which of them to follow. Number five, celebrate your progress. Sometimes, if you've never sold 5 products before and today you hit that threshold of selling 5 products, celebrate your win. Sometimes we feel like, oh, 5 is not enough, I want to get to 10. You think you are trying to make yourself do those things, try to promote your heart into wanting to do more, but you don't know that you are killing the joy of what you are doing. And one of the things that connote confidence in business is joy in what you do. If you don't like what you do, if you don't enjoy what you do, you may never be confident in what you do. I want to use myself as a case study. I am speaking to you now. I am not actually comfortable with the camera, but I want to do this. And I told myself that I would do it. The camera will not bite me. I am scared of making mistakes. But one thing you must understand is mistakes is fine. The mistakes you make today determine the success that you get tomorrow. You learn from the mistakes of today and the mistakes of yesterday. The failures that you face tomorrow are the lessons for the future. Don't be scared of failing. The risk you fail to take yesterday, you will take it tomorrow. So, number 1, start with small wins. Number 2, educate yourself. Number 3, learn to embrace failure. Number 4, surround yourself with supportive people. Number 5, celebrate your progress. I believe that with all of this that I've said, I might be able to help you touch a particular aspect of your business or a particular aspect of your life. If you don't have confidence, you may never achieve anything in life. So today, practice one or more of these things and see yourself begin to grow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next one. And if you know of anybody who might be of a need of this particular content, don't forget to share. See you in the next one.